Meet TerraMow X AWD. Engineered like an off-road machine. With precision Ackerman steering, it holds its line across rough terrain. Automotive-grade chassis, rugged suspension, built for demanding lawns. Through puddles, no hesitation. Over rough terrain, no compromise. Under dense cover, no signal, no problem. The X keeps mowing, even in GPS dead zones. From small yards to massive lawns, up to 2.75 acres. Zone to zone, without interruption. Rides the edge, trims with precision. Need more power? The 42-volt platform is ready. Conquers steep slopes with confidence. Clears obstacles up to 2.76 inches. Tune your mowing settings your way. 900 watts cutting power for thick grass. Floating cutting deck for every rise and dip. 20-inch cutting deck, more coverage. Mows at up to 3.28 feet per second. Efficient mowing, steady results. Turn-free mowing, no turnaround, no scuffs. 6-camera dual vision, front and rear. TerraMow X detects obstacles and adjusts its path in real time. Detects up to 164 feet, front and rear. Maps your lawn with precision. Customize up to 250 zones, your way. High-capacity battery, up to 3 hours of runtime. Built for 24-hour mowing. When darkness falls, it lights the way ahead and finds its way back to recharge. TerraMow X AWD mows beyond limits.